now you're going to show the family what you're going to have in your house.
So we can control the volume or reduce it to almost nothing.
Even at its highest, it's not anywhere near that diameter.
It isn't?
No.
But that's okay, right? Because it goes to the first...
See, Buzz, I don't think that that's more than that diameter.
Yeah, because it's only 4 foot, the bowl. There you go.
Yeah, I know you like that one.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
And we got the nice colors.